How to get a $300 Shein promo code. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in Shein coupon. You will see various websites offering free Shein coupons. Select anyone that you would like. And then at this section again, you will see their validation date and percentage off. In my case, I'm selecting this 50% off. And here you will see this code, copy it. Once you copy the code, open up your Shein application. Select the product that you would like to buy. In my case, I'm using this one, then tap on checkout. Under payment method, you would see apply coupon. Open it and simply paste the coupon here and continue. And likewise, you can also do the same process with your other products as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.